With every breath you take, millions of oxygen and carbon dioxide molecules are on the move. But where does this exchange happen, and how does it work? Let's find out. Nose and nasal cavity. The nose serves as the primary entry point for air. The nasal cavity, inside the nose, filters incoming air, removes dust and particles, and warms and humidifies the air before it reaches the lungs. Mouth and oral cavity. The mouth serves as an alternate entry point for air. The oral cavity plays an essential role in speech and swallowing. If the nasal passages are blocked, breathing through the mouth becomes essential. Pharynx, throat. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity and mouth to the trachea. It serves as a common pathway for both air and food. The epiglottis, a flap-like structure in the pharynx, prevents food from entering the trachea. Larynx, voice box. The larynx is a tough, flexible segment of the respiratory tract that connects the pharynx to the trachea. It allows air to pass through it while preventing food and drink from blocking the airway. Trachea, windpipe. The trachea is a wide, hollow tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It ensures that the air entering the lungs is at an optimal temperature and humidity for efficient gas exchange. Bronchus or bronchi. The bronchi are the main airways into the lungs. The bronchi are equipped with tiny, hair-like structures called cilia, and these structures help move mucus out of your lungs, keeping the bronchi clean and healthy. The bronchioles. Bronchioles are small, branching air passages inside the lungs. They serve as conduits for air, connecting the larger bronchi to the alveoli. Bronchioles deliver air to a diffuse network of approximately 300 million alveoli. Alveolus or alveoli. Alveoli are tiny air sacs. In the alveolus, oxygen molecules move through a single layer of lung cells, entering the bloodstream. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide molecules pass from the bloodstream into the alveolus. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you to understand the concept. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.